Hi guys, it's Melanie with Snow Holistic Health. We're here at Luna. We're doing our second live Facebook series on keto eating in the Lake area. And before we get started, we're going to do our drawing for our winner for our gift card last week from Brick and Jack's. This week's winner is Miss Jean East. If that's you, Miss Jean, give us a call at the office or come by and pick up your gift card. And we look forward to seeing you. But today we are going to be talking about Luna here, and Miss Adriana is going to share with you a little bit about the keto program that we offer.
Yes, so the Ketabolic Reset focuses on consumption of high consumption of healthy fats, moderate protein consumption, and very low carbohydrates. So this causes your body to shift metabolic gears, going from burning carbs for fuel to fat for fuel. It's been really popular recently, but it's not a new concept. It's been around for a very long time. It used to treat patients with pediatric seizures, and it's been extensively studied since. But we are now finding out even more benefits of the ketogenic diet. Dr. Snow, would you share with us some of the things that you've seen changes in our patients on your Ketabolic Reset?
Yeah, so going into a ketabolic state is real simple. You're getting the sugar out of your diet, you're resetting and normalizing insulin, and you're making your body get fat adapted and burn fat for fuel. So there's some really powerful things that happen with that. Because we're regulating insulin, we're really dropping a lot of inflammation in the body. So some of the more profound things I've seen in our cases, we've had people in chronic pain, and we've been able to completely zero out their pain by getting them into a ketabolic state. Many things are going on with that, but you're dropping insulin, you're bringing the blood sugar down, you're changing the diet. There's a lot of reduction in food-borne inflammation, and people do really well with that. We've seen people lose amazing amounts of weight, 80 pounds, 50 pounds. We've shared that with you before. And then we've seen a lot of people, just young kids that even have attention issues, and older people that have attention issues. When we get them into the ketabolic state, their brain starts to work better, their mood works better, and their attention span gets better. There's some real powerful things that happen when you're burning ketones, you're getting off of glucose.
Cool. All right, guys, so what are you having today, Dr. Snow?
Yeah, so again, we're at Luna Live. This is one of our more popular restaurants in Lake Charles. It's locally owned by a restaurateur named David Evans. Just want to say thank you, David, for having us here today and presenting this beautiful food. You have some of the best food in town. And so right here we have what's called the Remoulade Trio. It's got romaine lettuce, fresh tomatoes. We have, of course, remoulade. We have lump crab meat, crawfish, and shrimp. I can't wait to get into this meal right here. It looks so good. And just real quick before we share the other food, I just want to share this. So many people think to get healthy that they have to eat, like lettuce and nuts and seeds, and they can't have fun on this health journey. But we have great restaurants like Luna here in town. And let me tell you, if you're not having fun with your food, you're just not, exploring the right recipes, and you're not realizing that you can have fun with your food, but you can get healthy and lose weight too and enjoy great foods like this.
I agree, Dr. Snow. That's one of the reasons I love the Ketabolic Reset so much, is because it does have really great fun foods that you can eat. So this is Miss Katie's meal today. It is the Venus sandwich, no bread and no cheese. It has grilled shrimp, mushrooms on top. It's got a side of avocado. This is a side of jalapeno mayo, and she has the grilled vegetables with it. And then I have the Pluto sandwich, so no bread, of course, no cheese. It has a fried egg on top, and then grilled mushrooms and grilled onions. So chicken is a great source of lean protein, and the mushrooms have a lot of B vitamins and fiber. They help you to stay really full. I have a side of jalapeno mayo and a side of grilled vegetables. Miss Melanie?
All right, so today I'm going to have the Luna tuna. It's my favorite dish here. Usually comes with a side of grilled vegetables. Sometimes I'll get it with mashed potatoes, but since we're doing keto, I opted for a side Caesar salad with no croutons or cheese. But it looks really yummy, and I can't wait to dive in. And we are super glad that you joined us again today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for a chance to win a Luna gift card. We'll be giving that away next week. Also, check out our Keto Reset program and our keto coaching that we offer on eHolistic Health. It's going to be linked down below in the comments. We are super excited that you've joined us again today and can't wait to see you next week.